Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back to another tutorial. So guys, I promise you to come back with a continuation of the to-do app video. Now I'm back. Let us finish the application. So today I'm going to handle some 1, 2, 4 things. Yeah, I'm going to handle the database and the back end, right? Yeah, so for those who don't know me and you're here for the first time, I'm Mentor Biteo and I am a programmer. Yeah, and for those who haven't subscribed, I kindly request you to subscribe and to share. Let us grow together, guys. Yeah, no one is perfect, but life is a school for us to learn. So we have the opportunity to learn every day. So having said that, let's continue. So here is our app. This is our progress from that day. So we want to continue from where we left. Okay. So number one, I think if I go back, where is the app? There is the app. Number one, I think it will be nice, good if we rename this application and give it a good icon, right? Okay, so let's give it a proper name. Let's give it a proper name. Let's give it a proper name. Okay. Let's name it what? Today's plan with the space. Yeah, that looks better. And then let us look for nice icon. So for my icons, I use app icon generator. Yeah, and to find the icon, I come here, then and then I search anything I want. And see, the website has millions of icons and stickers. So let's write to do app. Let's see the options that are presented before us. Okay. I don't see anything here. Let's go to the next page. Guys, remember to subscribe and to share and to hit that notification button. Yeah, I'm new to YouTube. I'm trying to grow my account. And how good will it be to grow with somebody? Someone who started watching his video and when he had no followers, and we grew together to an extent. Now his account has hundreds of thousands of followers. Yeah, so support mentor Biteo, and I'll be so happy. God will bless you, by the way. Okay, so I'm thinking of this one. I don't know what you think, guys. Yes, I'm thinking of this one. Let me look for another one. And guys, just to prepare you mentally or psychologically, this is gonna be a long video. There's a lot we will tackle, so your patience will be appreciated, right? Okay guys, I'm finding it hard to choose. I don't know. Let's go to the next page. I need something that will trigger me. And if we have a question, we just ask. I may not be too active. I may not be so active. I may not be active on the comment section as I could, because I'm trying to focus. But don't forget to leave a text, to ask a question. I'm very interactive. Okay, so guys, let's not spend a lot of time here. Let me just go with this one. Save time, because time is not on our side. We have a long way to go. Yeah, and I hope by the end of this video you'll have something. Yeah, it's not in vain, but you are watching. Okay, there is our icon, so let's try to generate it. Download. So to generate it, you just hold and drag, and then you come and tick here and tick there, and then you generate. You let it do its magic, and then after it has successfully generated, it will download. So it is our time now to access. Let me extract it first. Alright, so here is our icons for the iPhone and for the Android. Okay, so let's go back to our coding environment. Revealing exploit. Nice one. Okay, so I'm looking for something. I'm looking for Android sources, main, and then resources. Yeah, so we need to copy paste something like that. So let me delete these ones first. Delete. Nice one. And then let me paste. Copy and paste. Okay, so let's go on the iPhone side and do the same. So iOS here, and then this one. Let's delete it. Then after it is deleted, then let us copy paste again. Copy paste. This one. Okay, so there we go, guys. We are done with that part. Okay, so let me run our application. Let me close it and install it, and install it again. Yeah, so guys, today I'm going to handle Hive database. It is a NoSQL database. That you can use to store data in your device locally, so that you may not require internet access for that. Now, so far I've had a good experience with it. I think I like Hive database, even though in terms of even though it's not that what will I say, even though it's not that complex, but it's a good one. Okay, so number one, we'll start by installing all the dependency that is needed. So if I come here to my pubspec.yaml, under my dependency I have, these are the dependency I have, no? But now I have to install all the dependency so that I may be able to use Hive. Yeah, and also, you know, I'll be generating adapters. I'll be using adapters. And also, what else? Yeah. Yes, so that is basically it. So let's see if the changes have been reflected. Yeah, nice one. Now at least our app looks nicer. Yeah, I want by the end of this video I will install this app. Yeah, by the end of the video I will build it and install it. Okay, so let us begin now. So I'll need some dependency. Okay, so to add your dependency, this is the code. Let me clear first. And let me close this one and expand everything so that you can see. Let me expand so that you can see. And if maybe I'm talking and you can't hear what I'm saying, kindly you can notify me on the comment section. Okay, so let us install all the dependency needed. Okay, so Flutter, pub, add. So number one, we need Hive, and we need build runner, we need Flutter generator, and then we need what? We need Hive Flutter. Yeah, those are the dependencies we need this project. Solving generator. There's a misspelling somewhere. Okay, let's do this again. Generator with a E something. Today was today. Flutter again. This okay. Let me get rid of that. Where is it? It won't stop us from proceeding. Nice one. Let me Google it. Pub update. Flutter generator. Oh, it is Hive generator, not Flutter generator. Sorry guys. That's why we have Google. So Flutter pub add Hive generator. Yeah, and guys, kindly, for those who are watching me and you want to build the same app that I'm building, It is not a must you do it my way. You might do it your way, but learn, get the knowledge, and make it yours. You don't have to do it the exact way I do it. That is not help. Yeah, and remember, Google is your friend. Okay. Okay, so build runner. It's not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be here. And then Hive generator. Not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be here. This one. So far so good. Those are all the dependencies we need to complete this project. Okay. So now that we have Hive installed in our project, number one, we need to initialize it. And remember, it is a feature. Yeah. So think comment here, initialize Hive. So await Hive data in it. Hasn't reflected yet. Something like that. Okay. Let's try to put this package Hive. There we go. Nice one. Okay, so now that we have initialized this, step 2 is to go to our model. We need to generate type adapter, and to generate a type adapter, we need to annotate this piece of code with number 1 Hive field type ID and what field is type. Then name is fields. Annotate also these fields. So Hive field index 0, then Hive field index 1, something like that. That makes sense. So guys, I want to be able to access the values of my object, my to-do model object, using some extension. And for that to be able, for I to be able to do that, I need to make a custom equality and hashing method that will accurately identify and compare objects on my behalf. So how will I do that? Okay. So create what? A custom equality and hashing method methods, by the way, to accurately or to identify to identify what? To identify and compare objects. Based on their properties. Based on their properties or something like that within a collection. Which which in our case it's a list. And also, to be able to achieve this, I'll be using a bitwise XOR to avoid hashing collision. Okay, if you need an explanation, if you need a more explanation on what I'm doing right now, you can leave a comment section. You can leave a comment on the comment section, and I will record a video handling that, and handling a topic on hashing and everything whatsoever. So so number one, let's override that operator is equal to need to take an object other. So number one, I want to check if the other object that I'm trying to call or use or compare is identical to this object, the one that so check if the other object is identical to this object. Just put this something like that. So it will be if identical it takes to identical. Identical. It takes to value or two parameters. Another. And return. Okay, so after doing that, the next step is what? The next step is to check if the other object is of type to do model, and if it fits it to do and is complete property. If its properties matches this, so number one is to do what? To check if the other object is of type to do model. That's number one. Number two, check if it's to do and what is complete properties. Match those of this object. So I think we are together. So if that is true, Then if that is so, then let's proceed. So how do you go about that? So let's return is to do model. That's number one. Then number two, it is other dot to do is equal to do. Then the last part, other that is complete equal to is complete. As simple as that. We are done. Now we are done with the first part. Now the second part now, which is the most important part, is the hashing. The hash code now. So now we have to combine the hash code of these two things, the to do and is complete, to form a unique code that I might be able. Now let us imagine that I'm looking for let me say I have 100,000 data and I need a specific data. So the hash code, unique hash code that I'm going to generate, it will enable me to use that code, unique hash code, to identify that specific data or item, the data that I'm looking for. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah. So and also it will enable us. It will enable me to use. I'll be able to use something like let me say to do list dot index of. Yeah, I'll be able to use this method, but I don't know what you'll call it. So here, what are we going to do? So I'm going to combine the hash code, the hash code of both to do and is complete. Properties using what? Bitwise XOR. This is the name of this thing here. That's the name of this thing. And why are we using this? We are using this to avoid hash code collision. Yeah, it helps us to avoid that. So combine the hash code of both to do and is complete properties using bitwise XOR to generate a unique hash code to this object. To generate a unique what? Hash code. Hash code of this object. So it is an int, so let's override. So it is an int, then get hash code. Okay. So remember, I'm join, whatever name you call it. So to do hash code, I'm using the XOR bitwise is complete. Hash code. Something like that. Yeah. So now I am able to access. I am able to use any functionality on my data. Okay, so we need to generate a type adapter, and how do we do that? Let me comment here. Generate type adapter for what? To do objects. To do model objects, whatever. So to do that, we use parts, and then the name of our model .g.dat. So after naming that, you see here, you find this notification. This is an error. Target of your error hasn't been generated. Yeah. Now I think we are good to go, guys. Our code looks fine. Yeah, I am seeing Raven code. Thank you, man. I appreciate you, guy. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Okay, so let's generate it and see what will happen. And guys, I'll be honest with you guys. Yeah, I'm not here to fake. So if I also don't understand something, you'll see me opening my browser and doing the necessary. What I'm supposed to, because I believe no one knows everything. We are here on earth to learn and to grow, right? Okay, so let me generate. So to generate, there are two ways to do this. Let me just right here. So there are two ways to do this, right? So the first way, which is it's not the best way, is to do this Flutter packages, then build build runner. You remember the package I installed, and build, you know. Yeah, and the second one, if I'm not wrong, the first one, the second one, yeah, here should be run, because I'm running this package. Yeah, nice one. And here it is that now run build runner build. Yeah, so the second one is the most recommended. So let me try and run it and see. Okay, so that run build runner build. Let me see. Error. It's unable to find what. That run build runner. Okay, let me use Flutter packages. Run build runner build. So if the second one fails, actually guys, I don't know why it does not work. At times it works, at times, so I don't know. But in case the second one does not work, you have another option. At least I've given you two options. So let's be patient, guys. So after here, after I have generated our type adapter successfully, now I'll have to register it, yeah, before using it. And after I've registered it, then I'll figure out a way to use it, like that and like that, so forth, so on. So almost done, guys. Let's be patient. Guys, let's have a chat. So what is your best programming language so far? And what is your experience with Flutter? Can you recommend it? And what do you think is the future of Flutter? Because for me it is the best so far. Okay, so successfully our code has just done its magic, and now here we have our type adapter. Type adapter. So guys, this file should not be altered or modified or edited in any way. So let's go and adjust our adapter. So just do model adapter. So to register it, just to do model adapter. There we go. Oh, there we go, guys. We have successfully registered our adapter. Now we need to open a box to store our data. We need to open a box, or we need to create a database, and in Hive it is the same as opening a box. Do you guys agree? Do you agree with me? So we need to open the box, and to open the box now I will go to our folder service. Where is it? Here. I need to create a Hive box helper. I need to do some magic behind the wheel. So number one, let me take class. So Hive box helper. Oh, number one here, I need to create an instance of what? Create a static instance of what? Of Hive box helper. So static and I'll call it what? I'll call it box people. Something like that is equal to 5. Then I need to do internal. Why internal, guys? To do what? To avoid external instantiation. This one is to avoid external instantiation. If you understand what that is. Then the second part, I need to return that static instance. So static instance. So how do I do it? I'll use something called factory. So if you need more explanation on what I'm doing right now, you might leave a comment. Then I will record a video specifically about Hive database and to set it up. Yeah, so Hive box helper, then return that box found, and I'll be able to return that. And then to avoid external, or to prevent external instantiation, I know you guys are familiar with polymorphism and encapsulation for those who have done computer science. Yeah, so to apply that here, the 4 pillars, yeah. So it prevents external instantiation. Right one. So how do we do that? Just call this one and then call it now internal, and we're done. So now we are done with the heavy lift. Now let's go to the main thing. So here we need to open the box. Open Hive box. For to do model. Model. Yeah. So remember we are the future, and then box, and then to do model, and yeah. Then let me call it what will I name it, guys? Let me just say open to do model. And then Hive, then we need the Hive. Open box. What will I name our database? Let me name it to do. Static. Static. This one should be a method. So there we go, guys. We are done with our Hive box helper. We've handled the heavy duties. Yeah. I decided, let me handle the back end first. Let me deal with the database first, and then we'll proceed with the UI, user interface. Okay, so let's go back to this, to our Hive service provider. And number one, let's clear all of this data. So this one should be an empty list. So create empty list to store to do that. Okay. So there are a few things, there are a few operations we need to achieve. Number one, we need to get all the data, or get all the to-do, all the to-dos from the database. Then I should be able to add the new to-dos to do to the database. Then delete a specified to do from the database. Then I need to edit a specified to do from the database. And then I need to handle this checkbox. Yeah, I need to handle checkbox. So handle checkbox. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 functionalities that this app should have, Yeah, these are the functionality that this app should have. So how are we gonna go about it? How are we gonna go about it, guys? How are we gonna go about it? Okay, let's see. So number one, I need to open the box. Open Hive box for to do model objects. Okay, so future box or to do model. Then what do you like, Wally? What do you like name? Let me tell you what. Open do model box. Yeah, something like that. So now that these are future, so we need to this will be sync. And return await. Waiting for what? Waiting for helper. Let me first import this. Helper open. Oh, there we go. So now that we've opened our box, the next thing in our agenda is to get all the to-dos from the database. So we need to be able to access all the to-dos from the database. So that will be void get all or get to do. Yeah, and that also it is the same. So number one, let's open Hive box. So box do model open box is equal to what? This one. Right. Okay, so then here I should be able to retrieve all the data. All the to-dos and save them to a list. So to do list is equal to what? Open box. Remember, this is an object, not a list. So values and then to list. Nice one. So there we have. And then remember, I'm using provider for state management. So notify listeners. Who are the listeners? Widgets. Of what? Of changes in that. So how do we do that? Just notify listeners. Notify listeners. Just like that. And boom, we are done. Now this method or function is able to retrieve all the data or to get all the data from our database if there is any. So I think that makes sense, right? Okay, so let's go to another operation. So you know the the thing we call CRUD operation. That's what I'm trying to do here. Operations. This is what I'm trying to do. To read, to update, to delete, and to create. Let me put it here. Yeah, CRUD operations. Yeah. So we are on the second one, right? That is to create or to add. So let's add a new to-do. So add a new to-do. Number one, this one is missing. I need to wait for the box to open before I can proceed. So open the box, open the Hive box. And how do I do that? Box, to do model, open box, something like that, and then await, open. Okay, now that our box is open, what do we need to do? We need to add how to do the box, because the box is our database. Yeah, so we need to I'm sorry for that, something choked me. Okay, so we need to add our new data into the database. So how do you do that? Simple. So open box dot add. So I need what do I need? I need what to do model. Let me call it that. Let me call it that. So there we go. Let me call it that. So add a new to do. Then notify listeners. Those are the widgets of changes in that. Notify listeners. Boom. So we are done with the second one. Okay, so let's go to the third one. Guys, if it was you, which approach will you have taken? Yeah, do you have a better way of doing this? Yeah, you can recommend it. I'll be more than willing to see and to learn. Yeah, I am open to learning new things, and I believe I'm not perfect, and no one is, no? But with our imperfections, learning and making sure we don't repeat our mistakes, we become better people. So I want to be able to delete a specified to do from the database. That means I need to have the index and the to do and the specified to do, or just rather index. I need an index, a specified to do from the database. So void delete to do. Yeah, here it should be, the D should be capital, and to maintain that style. Okay. So int index. Yeah, so this one should be async. Hope you guys hope you can understand what I'm doing. So let's open the box, open the Hive box. Okay, in the box, gonna wait. Then it's open. Let's delete. How do we do that? Open box, delete. So let me see. It takes a key. So I will use @. It takes an index. If I'm not wrong. Okay. There we go. So what next? We need to notify listeners. Those are the widgets listening for the changes. In the dark. Notify listeners. Nice one. Okay, I want to be able to edit as specified to do from the database. So void edit to do. So to be able to edit, to be able to edit, I need the index. I need the to do model. Need the data. Those are the two things I need. But before that, I need to open the box. Hive box. So how do I open the box? Guys, I can tell you, programming is easy. There's a lot of repetition, guys. Yeah, it's something a kid can learn, by the way. So edit to do. So how do I do that? So now that my box is open, just put @ and then the index and the data. Yeah, and then let's notify listeners. Let me increase my screen just in case if you're not seeing what I'm typing. Right, so there we go. But now I want when these functions are being guys, I want, if I trigger this function, I want the updates I've made to be seen here on the screen. So how will that be possible? Because because I'll be using a list to supply the data in my UI. So that means at the end of each it means at the end of each method I need to call this function. I need to update. I need to get the updated data. You know? Yeah. So get data. Get do. I need to call this function at the end of every method, so that when it is being triggered, it will do the changes, and then the changes will be able to reflect real time in our application. Okay, so I think so far so good. We started by making an empty list to store our to-dos, and then the list is our private list, so for me to be able to access it somewhere else, I needed to perform a get method. And then after that we opened Hivebox for to-do objects, and then we created a function to get all the to-dos, and then we added new to-dos to the database, and then we deleted and we edited. Now we are handling our checkbox. So guys, do you remember when I was doing this? Let me get rid of this. I may not need helper. I'll need it. Model. Do you remember when I was doing this? Do you remember? Now this has enabled me, if I want to, for example, void handle checkbox, something like that, right? For example, let me open our box first. See, open Hivebox. Model, open box equal to await. Then let's call our open box. So I can do this if open box dot what dot value dot let me see list dot now index of what, how I can be able to use this function. I can be able to use this function. Let me say list index of the method. Yeah. I can be able to use that. I know where the error comes. Yeah, but now I can be able to use this function. I'm now allowed. Without that custom thing I made there, I wasn't able. Without this custom equality and hashing methods, this and this, without this I couldn't be able to do this. Yeah, so I'm only able to do this because of this. Now I can compare my objects peacefully. Yeah, so I wish I could explain more than that. So what do I want to do here? Number one, if completed, then set to complete. If incomplete, then set complete. So it's like a toggle effect, right? Okay, so how are we gonna be able to do that? So I need an index here first, because I need to access a specific checkbox. Oh, let's see. To-do list. Then the index is complete. If it's complete, if that is true, then I need to set it to incomplete. So open box dot put at so in that index, and then to do model. So here will be the to do is index dot put to do. Then here is where we are interested. There is our interest. You feeling me? Getting, guys? You getting it? Getting it? Yeah. So what have I done? Now, if the to-do list is complete, then when I press it, I want it to be incomplete. So I replace it with an opposite value. Else, open box dot put at there is a typo there. And guys, for those who haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, guys. Let's go to 1,000, 100,000, 1 million. No. So to do model here, we're not interested with this one. So it will remain the same, but here is our interest. Right? Okay, now we've done a lot, guys. It's time now we test our code. Is whatever I've done working, or I've just been doing my own things? So now we are able to add, to get, to delete, to edit, and to handle the check box. So let's notify listeners of the changes made, because we are adding something to the database. So notify listeners. Who are the listeners? The widgets consuming of changes in that. So notify, and to get the updates in real time, then I need to do what? I need to get the updated data. So I need to call get to do. What is that, man? Yeah. So we are done with our functionalities. We are done with our back end. So far so good, guys. Yeah. I don't think if there is a problem somewhere. I think we are good to go. So let me go back to the application now, to our UI, and make some adjustments. We need to make some adjustments. Okay, number one, I saw some errors here. I don't like how this cursor is looking. So let me go and fix that. So where is the cursor? Cursor is in where? This is the advantage of dividing your code. it becomes easy to navigate and to find a specific thing. So for me, just as simple as that. Yeah, I have my what? Yeah, so I think I need to reduce the height 1.2. Yeah. 1. 1.1. Yeah, nice one. So far so good. Yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe, and also you can type a hey on the comment on the comment section. For those who don't know me, I'm Mentor Buteo. Yeah, I'm a computer scientist. I'm a computer science graduate, or I'm a computer scientist. Yeah, but I love programming. It is my passion. It's something I love. It's something I enjoy doing. Okay, so another thing, guys. Now that I've fixed that, another thing that was of concern was the width of the device. Let me see. Let me handle that. So I want, if the user is viewing or using this app, if he's using it on a bigger device or on a larger device with a, let me say, 1000 pixel, then I want to limit it to 600. So device width. Okay. So it is a double. So device width. So media query. Media query. Dot of context dot text. Media query. Have I just gotten with the query out of context out of what? Let me see the option. What are the options? Oh, size. Then with nice one. Okay, so this is the width of our device. Now we have the width of our device. So what will I do? So I want media query of context size width equal this. If device width is greater than 600, guys, what am I doing? Or rather, let me do this. Let me not be paranoid. So screen width. So it is a double screen width. So I want, if the device width is greater than 600, then I want the device width to be 600. If not, then just contain it. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so here I want to return a what? I want to return a container. I want to return a container. And I want yes, I want to return a container. So and I want the width of the container to be what? To be the screen width. Yes, but now my content needs to be centered. So let me center the content, or let this be centered. Yes, something like that. So that if I have a bigger device, it won't interfere with our styles. And then for this text input, I want it to return what? I want it to return I want it to have no width, but rather be expanded widget. Expanded. Yeah, nice one. All right, so that means I need around 10 pixels somewhere here. Yeah, 10 pixels. 10 pixel width. Okay. And yeah, maybe if maybe you don't understand where this thing is coming from, for those who maybe you didn't watch the previous video, you can it is here, and I recommend you guys, please go and watch the previous video. This is a continuation video. Yeah, the other one was I was designing the UI, and now I am making this up dynamic. I am making it functional. Yeah, so here is it. It is under settings, dimensions. Here are my dimensions. Yeah. All right. And for those who are joining, welcome guys. It's Metabuteo under the screen, or is it under behind the screen? Then is let me, I think if I give it 20 it will be better. For 20, let's see 20. If you haven't subscribed, guys, remember to subscribe. Yeah, perfect. So I think our design is perfect. Now next step, I want, when I click on this button here, this submit button, I want to, yeah, I want a dialog to appear. So let's go to this submit button. Okay, so let's first make it gesture detector. So on top, what do I want? What do I want? So when I tap it, I want it to show dialog. So final void callback, and then show dialog. Hope that makes sense. Let me show dialog. This dot show dialog. Okay, so let me call it here show dialog. show to do, show, let me name it that, show edit dialog, or no, I want when I tap on it, or when I press it, I want to add new to do. So add to do, it's not to show dialog, it's add to do. I'm sorry for that, guys. So add, be able to add to do. Add do. Now so far so good, huh? Add to do. So let's go here, text field. Controller, text editing controller. So here, let me first let me convert this into a stateless widget. And then let me get rid of this controller for now. And then now here we need a function and we need a controller. So I know a minute, guys. I am back, guys. I'm back. So here we need a controller. So text editing controller. Let me just call it controller. For lack of a better name. And then I need a function. Void callback action, or just callback. Then add to do. Okay, so let me provide them. This dot controller, this dot nice one. This should be required. Alright. For those who haven't subscribed, guys, remember to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Okay, so let me provide here my controller and my to do here. Add that to do. So far so good. Okay, so I want to be able to add new to-dos in my app. Now it is the time to test. Okay, so I need another file to handle the add, the show, the whatever. So here let me create a to do service provider for that. Okay, so plus to do service provider. So I need to create other new to do controller. And then create this one, edit to do controller. I need those two controllers. Okay, so number one is let me see. It doesn't have to try text editing controller, add new to do controller is equal to text editing controller. Okay. And then let's define the other one. Final text editing controller. So it is edit to do controller. Text editing controller. Right. So there we go. So in case I want to access them outside of this file, so get add the new to do controller. Oh, how do I get? So text editing controller, get add new to do controller is equal to add new to do controller. Yeah, this is a function. So if you know, you know. Yeah, something like that. And then here, get edit to do controller. So text editing controller, get edit to do controller. To edit, yeah. There we go. And then another thing, now I need to implement that add new to do method. So void backend then yeah, static, this should be a static method. So let's try and implement this for a minute. Void add new to do. Okay, so number one, I am only adding a new to do if the length of the to do available in the input, if the length is bigger than a third. Yeah, because I don't want to add empty to do's, you know. So check the length of to do. If it is greater or equal to 3, then proceed. Else do nothing. You feeling me? So if add new to do, if add new to do controller dot text with length, if it is greater than or is equal to 3, then you can proceed. Instance member can be first member, static member. Oh, so this one should be static. And the other one also static. Okay. Right? So this is the only time I'm adding. Do. So if that is so, then back end dot add new to do. So to do model. That will be add new to do the text, and then this one will be false always. Something like that. Okay. Add new to do. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back here to our home. So here to home, what does this want? It's asking for what? The name of parameter controller is required. So controller is equal to do service provider dot add new dot add what also is be static. Where I was done with this one. Yeah. Static. Yeah. Let me see if I can access it now. Nice one. Add new to do controller. Yeah. And then what? And then add new to do. Equal to do service to do service provider dot add a new to do on backend. Okay, so I don't know where the errors are coming from, but for this one I can handle. It is easy. Invalid instant valid. Let me go back. Get add new to do controller. Okay. I get it. Oh, there we go. And then guys, I need, when I'm opening my app for the first time, I need to load all the data. So here, where exactly here? So I need to call in it. So number one, create an instance of Hive service provider is equal to provider dot of context. Hive service provider. It is a context. I don't want to listen to changes. Okay, and then get all the to-dos from the database. So provider dot get. Nice one. Okay. So let us restart our app and see what happens. Nice one. It's 0. To do done 0. Okay, let's try to add some. What if I type one word? Nope. Nope. Second one, nope. The third one, yes. Working, guys. But then I want, after I have added a to do, I want to be able to clear the controller and close the keyboard. Those are two main functions I want to do. So let me go here. Where is our to do service provider? So here, inside here, I want, when I have successfully added, when I've successfully added and I've successfully add new to do, then I want to clear the console. Clear the controller. That will be add new controller dot clear. Then I want to close keyboard. Okay, let's see. So to close, I'll use something called focus scope dot of context dot unfocused. So that means here we will need a build context. Call it context. That means there is an error here. We need to provide it with the context. You feeling me, guys? There we go. So let me save her up and see. Let me start. Okay. Alright. So let me add something else. Nice one. Another nice one. So we can successfully add data to our database. We can add new to-dos. Okay, but now number 2, let's now go to this to the checkbox. Yes, I want if I press this checkbox, I want to see something happen. Something has to happen. So let me implement that. Let's go back. Final void callback handle checkbox. Then require this handle checkbox. Then I think it's somewhere here. Where is it? No. Here is the wrong place. Guys. Here is the wrong place. It is under here. It is under to do tile. Was it tile? Yes. It's here. Okay. So handle checkbox. Okay. So final void callback handle checkbox. Okay. Required this handle checkbox. I think there is a typo down here. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to our home. There's an error here. I think that something must be done. So handle checkbox is equal to backend dot handle checkbox. And it takes some input, but now for it to run, I have to do this. Yeah. So let's see. Nothing is happening, right? Okay, let me refresh it again. The checkbox. Nothing is happening. So what will I do? Let me go back here. Then I want to print here to debug. Checkbox pressed. Okay, no. What's happening? It's not being triggered, so there must be an issue, and I think I know why. This is the issue, guys. Here should be value. No, not really. No. And the checkbox. Yeah, I think I know what the problem is. Let me fix it, guys. Gotta fix this thing, my people. Yeah, this was the problem, guys. This was the problem. Now, I think it should now work. Yeah, so far so good, guys. So far so good. Okay, so we've handled our checkbox. Next, here I want to add some emojis to spice it up. It's looking so dark, so let's add some emojis. And those who haven't subscribed, guys, remember to subscribe. So to do tile, let me close this. I want when let me go back first. Let me implement a delete function first. Let me delete final void callback delete to do required this dot delete to do okay, delete not detail. Hey. What are these guys? What are these man? Delete to do, right? So let me implement the delete functionality here. Delete to do. So delete do. There we go. So let me go to home and then delete to do back end for it to run back end dot delete to do index. So let me see. Perfect. So I want when there is nothing in the database, I want the user to be informed, right? So let me come here and take rid of this part for now. Or rather here will be the perfect place. So I want if the backend dot do list is empty. If it's empty, then I want to display text. No to-dos. I need to add some. Then emoji we will do there. Yes. So if that is true, if that is not true, then I need it to do what? Continue. Yes, nice one. So let's spice it up. Style. We do. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. Okay, so font size. Let me give it 40 and see. For the color, secondary, but with a low opacity of 0.2 maybe. Wait, W900. I think I need to increase this points to 50. 50 would be awesome. But now I need this. Text to be centered. So let me go back to here. And then text alignment. Is it availability? No. Let me go back here. Where is it exactly? We're done with do tile. Let me get rid of that. Model. Okay, let me get home. Then do tiles. Yeah, here. So let me see. Text align at center. Yeah, that will look better. Not this. Here should be not this, add some. And also here I need some text also. I need to update this progress display. Here it is. So progress message, and then progress text. Let me say that. Welcome guys, for those who are coming in, welcome. It's Mentor Buteo. If you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe. Here we are trying to make some functionality in this app. We've been able to implement the add function successfully, and we can add, and also we have been able to implement check box function, see. Yeah, so we are proceeding, and also a delete function, yeah. So just for catch up. Okay, so let's continue. So here I want to be able to dynamically display messages depending on the progress, depending on the user progress. So string progress message, right? Okay, so message, a default message will be what? String message. Yeah, it is an empty string now. So I want if the number, and actually alright, if widget, if the number, the length of the do list is 0, let me say 0, there's no to do's, then I want to display a message. Oops. No to do's. That is a message I want to display with an emoji. Which emoji? Okay. If that is so, then that should be the case. Alright. Else if number of completed to-dos is equal to widget length. That means the user has completed. Then I need a message. I need to good job with an emoji. Good job with an emoji of clap. And else, if none of the above is the case, then just keep it up with an emoji. Which emoji? Let me use this one. Keep it up. Okay. So depending on what is happening, then return the text, return the message. Now I should be able to utilize the message here. But now this one should be in a container. Should be in a container, right? But let me first implement the message first. Let us test it first. So progress message. There we go. Not to this. Oops. Not to this. Nice one. Okay, so let's add some. Okay. Good job. What if okay, anyhow, I just leave it at that. So I need to wrap this in a container. The whole of this should be wrapped in a container. So container, container, a child. Okay, so let me see. I need to give it a height. Actually, it's not a container. I think a sized box will do better. Sized box. Okay, 150. Okay. Okay. That's working perfectly. Okay, so let me handle this. I don't like when there is 2 zeros there. So another string. Progress text. Is the text empty? So if widget dot length is empty, if it's empty, then this should be the text. Right? If it's not empty else, this will be the text. Let me just name it text, guys. So yeah, let me take all of this. And here should be progress text. Okay, where is it here? That should be the text. Then return text. Return text. There you go. Yeah. There you go. So let us test. I think I need to fix something somewhere, guys. Here under input field, not really input. Here and add a new I want to close before adding. and close for adding. So let's see. Something like that. Okay, let me fix this. Yeah, if I scroll this thing, you can see up here it is interfering. I don't like that, so let's change the color. Color. Have a tint color. I want it to be the same as background color. Okay, so that is fixed. Awesome. Oops. Go to this. Good job. Okay. So far so good. So guys, we are. I like the progress. Now that we've done. Now that we are done with a lot of things, I want this application to always stay on horizontal orientation. I don't want it to rotate. That is my reference. I don't know about you. You can do with it whatever you want. So let's handle device orientation. So let's handle it from set property preferred orientation. System Chrome. Okay, let me go slow. Set. I don't want to set property. I want to set the orientation. Get property. Set preferred orientation. Preferred. Oh, nice one. So, set preferred. This is what I wanted, guys. So, less up and always down. So let's set the orientation of my screen. I don't want it to rotate. Device orientation dot up, and then device orientation dot down. Okay, so we've handled that, so our screen will not rotate, hopefully. Okay, so now we need to implement our last part is to implement this one there. We need to edit. We need to be able to edit. When I press on it right now, nothing is happening because I haven't implemented it. So that is the only thing remaining, and when we are done with that, I will be done with this video. So I want, when I hit this button, something should appear. So let's go back to our to-do service provider. Now I need to do what? I need to create two functions. Function number one should be the one to edit to do. Static void, then edit to do. So for this one, it will take what? It will take the index. I need the index and the back end. I need access to the index and the back end. But for the meanwhile, I want you I want it to print to do edited. The meanwhile. Right. And then another one, showDialog. showDialog. Dialog. I don't know. Dialog. Hey, you man, my guy. Okay, so I want to show dialog. So I want to show dialog. Show to do dialog. To do dialog. Right. So how do I go about that? Let's show dialog. Then there context and build. Context. Then I want to show the alert dialog. Yeah. And then here you'll be able to access what? Build context. But let me name these things well so that it won't bring errors. So required expected to find what? Expected to find context, build context, required. Nice one. Yeah, so that it won't bring confusion. Let me even fix this one here so that there will be no confusion. This one should be required. So that there will be no confusion. So required and required. I'm making the same error again and again. Okay, so and the other one, where is the other one? And also this one also should be required, right? So required and required, so that to avoid errors. So let me come and fix it here. So back end, then context, yes, nice one. Now we are good to go, guys. We're good to go. Let me take this one and comment this important imports, not necessary imports. Okay, let's continue. Where was I before I was distracted here? Okay, so guys, I want, when I hit the button, the edit button, I want the alert dialog to show, right? Okay, so let's go back to home and then to where? Here, to do tile, and then let's add that final void callback, and then edit to do. Let's require it, require this dot edit, and then let's implement it. Let's call it here. So edit to do. Nice one. So where were we? Let me get rid of this input field, model, progress. So home. Here we need to call edit to do. So so to do service provider dot show dialog context, but to run this I have to do this. Feeling me? Oh, people. Alright, let me run it and see. Nothing is happening. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. It is an error causing that. Seconded, but the argument don't match to do tile. Okay. Let me run the application. Oh, yeah, nice one. So it's working perfectly. So I need to implement this thing in a I need a container, and I need some features. And the time's bad. I've been here for the longest, but I warned you guys. I warned you guys in advance. Okay, so let me implement that. Let me implement that. So what will I call it? It showDialog. So to do, let me call it let me call it edit dialog like that. Let's digit edit dialog. So let me go to do service. Instead of returning this one, let me return this one. Edit dialog. Yes. And then let me go to the edit dialog and make some adjustment. Right. Okay guys. So I need to see what's happening here, and the only way I can see what is happening here is by using set state. So let me go here, type set state. Then no, not there. Let me go inside here. Set state. Yeah, this is what I want exactly. So for me to be able to see what is happening, for me to be able to see the changes as I make them, then I need to call this function here, down here. Let's start. And then let me come back home. Then let me copy this. And paste it where? And paste it here. Required. And fix it. Function set state and so on. Okay, so now I believe I'm able to access. I'm able to see the changes as they occur. So where is the error coming from? Here. Hey, fix the error. Fix it. Fix it. Nice one. Okay, so let's hot restart our application and then continue from where we are. We are almost done, guys. Yeah. Thank you for being patient with me. Okay, so here, yes, under content, trying to return a container. Now I want the height of the container to be, let me say 300 and the width to be 400. Let me say that 400. And then decoration, for decoration, box decoration, and the color to be of the background. Yes. Alright, and then let me get rid of the padding. Content padding. Content padding. And to be edge insert all 0. Nice one. To be a const. Yeah. Then I need a border. The border should have a color of a secondary color, and it should have a width of what? Should have a width of 1.2. Then the border's corners should be halved. So that is border radius. Circular, let me give it 20. Nice one. So the height is a lot, it's too much. So let me give it 200 and see. Let me get off the width and see what will happen. Nothing happens, right? uh-huh. Okay. So let me work with that for now. Okay, so I need how many things? I need padding of 20 pixel. This one should be a const, right? And then I need to return a child now, you know, feeling me? And then column children. So number one, it should be a text input, and then number two should be what? Number two, it should be what? Delete and not it should be edit and cancel buttons, and it should be a row. So that case, this text input, let me see if I can use it, or rather let me just make mine. Okay, so for the text input, expanded is my, let's see, let me go back to home and see if I can reuse this. By the way, text input field, let me reuse this instead of making the whole thing. Text inputs field. Add to do controller and key. So for controller, let's require controller. Final text editing controller. And then what else? Let me just make it from scratch. Let me just make it expanded widget child, expanded widget for child, sized box, height, let me give it 40 or that one, and then for the child, let me give it text field, something like that. Nice one. Okay, so let me fix this one. Okay, so the cursor color secondary, the cursor height should be 30. Okay, so text alignment vertical should be center. center. Okay, style, to do, style, height, let me give it 1.2. Then color, secondary, and then weight, font weight, let me give it 600 for now. Okay, so let's see what's happening. Nice one. Not bad, right? Alright, so let's continue. So let's go to decoration. Decoration input, decoration. So here should be true. Fill color will be the accent and color. There we go. And then enable border. Yes, the outline. Something like that. And then border radius. Set circular. Let me give it 20 and see how that looks. Isn't it? It's not an error. It is enabled board. I wonder what's not happening. 20 is much, so let me give it 12. Yeah, 12 is not bad. Right. And then border side. None. No. Alright. Let's continue. Let's go to focused border. I think I had this. I saved this somewhere. Where? Oh, the outline input. This one. Do outline. Yeah, nice one. Okay, so let's see guys. Yeah, so far so good. Okay, so a hint text. I don't need a hint text here, right? Yeah, I don't need a hint text here. Okay, so but I need controller. Okay, so let's go to the buttons first. It will be a row. children. Yeah, so number one will be update do button, and then cancel to do button. Yeah, those are the two buttons I need, right? Okay, so let me implement them here. Where here, and we call them input button. Input button. What's that? Okay, stateless widget. Nice one. Input button. Nice one. Gesture detector. On top, then child, a container. Alright, final, avoid callback. On top, and here required this dot on top, and also I will need a string required this dot button name. So final string button name. Yeah, those are the things that I need. So input button, input button, this one. So on top will be update to do, and then here for the name it should be update. Right, so let me copy this and paste it here. So here should be cancel, and here should be cancel to do. Okay, let me require this. So final void callback. One is update to do. Number two, final void callback is what is cancel to do, and I need a text editing controller. Those are the things that I'll be needing, Alright, so this so required this dot update, then required this dot cancel, then required this dot control. Yeah, so yeah, so far so good. Let me get rid of this. So far so good, right? Okay, so let me go here, edit dialog. What does it need? So here I need a required variable, which is a backend. I also need one self. Let me make the one for cancel, a function to cancel. So cancel to do static void cancel to do. I don't require anything for this, so let me continue. So to cancel, I just want to clear the controller. So editing controller. That's number one. Number two, what do I need to do? I need to pop off. So that means, what will I do? Navigator, out of context, pop. That's what it will be doing basically. So that means here, either required build context. Okay, there we go. Okay, so what do I need? Let me see. So here, let me implement this. So I want, when I call this first, I want also to require index. I need the index. I need to get the index. Yeah, index here. Required index, so that I may be able to access a specified to do. Okay, so let's see. Okay. So what do I want? Update to do. So update to do is equal to edit to do. Backend nice one, but for it to operate or function, it needs that one. Okay, what else do I need? I need cancel. Cancel to do. Okay. Controller. Edit controller. Right. Index. so I think so far so good. Okay, so the controller is equal to text. Okay, so here let's see. So here not here, it should appear up here. Here the text here is define the text controller, or let me say give value to edit text controller. So here edit text controller dot text is equal to backend dot to do list and the index dot to do, yeah, something like that. Nice one. So far so good. So let me make this adjustment here. Let me come here and make the adjustment. So what do I need? Backend is required. Okay, so backend is equal to backend. What else? What else is required? I need an index. Index is equal to index. Okay. Let's restart our application and see what happens. Let's hot restart and see what happens. So it should work, but it's okay, guys. So let me continue with the buttons first, then I'll proceed. Okay, so child, so for child, it should be what? It should be a text, right? It should be centered, child text, and then button name. Okay, well, and then another thing I need to is a height, or rather let me use padding. So const edge insert symmetric. So for horizontal, let me give it 20, and then for vertical let's see how that is. Okay, so let me give it a color. So decoration, box decoration. No, I'm doing it on the wrong. So yeah, decoration. So box decoration. Decoration. So for the color, let me give it accent 1. Nice one. Okay, so I don't like the corners, the sharp corners. So for the radius, border radius dot circular, let me I think 10 will work. Yeah, not bad. Okay, so let's edit the style of this. So for the style, you do text style. So for the color and the background color, for the weight, font weight, let me give it 800. Okay, so for the what else? What else? Okay, so let me come here, and I need a width here of about 20 pixels. So 20 pixels. Okay, 20 width. Yeah, that's better. And then let me increase the padding to what? Let me increase the padding to what? Let me increase it to 40. It's too much. So I just do 20. Seems with this possible. But infinity, is it possible? It's not possible. 400. Yeah, 100 is better. But what about that one? Let's just do 400, guys. Okay, so now that is 400, where is my column? Main axis alignment, main axis alignment should be end. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So there we have our buttons, update and cancel. Okay. Cancel. Okay, so far so good. Okay, update and cancel. So let's go back now. Let's go back to our to do here. So what happens when I let me hot restart. So where is it? So what happens when I press update? Let me extend this. Yeah, you do edited. Nice one. What about cancel? Where is the cancel? Controller. Edit to do controller. Let's see. Let me try to print something. So debug print to do cancelled. Yeah, cancelled. Right, so let's see what happened. Nothing is happening. That means there's a problem somewhere, right? Okay, let's see. Link context. Let me get rid of all of this first for now. Let me just remain with that. Okay. Something is happening. Oh, no. I know why. This is the reason why, guys. It's not working. I know. Now it's working, right? Let's see. Yeah, now it's working. So I want, when I press cancel, what will I do? What do I want it to do? Now that it's working, let me get rid of that. Okay, so when I press cancel, number one, I want to close the keyboard if it's open. Keyboard if it's open. I want to close the keyboard. So to achieve that, pop dot of context dot unfocus. And then after I have achieved that, I want to clear the controller. Clear controller. You feeling me? And then after I have achieved that, I want to pop off the whatever is happening. So navigator dot of context dot pop. So let's see if that works. Let's see. Yeah, it is working. Alright, so it's working, guys. Okay. So let's make some few to-dos here and continue. Right. So let's go back to where? Let's go back to edit dialog. Text. Controller. I did not provide the controller. Controller equal to controller. And there we go, guys. There we go. So if I cancel, and I think I need to handle this one. And where will I handle it? I'll handle it from here. From here. So when I press it, what do I want? On top. Let me handle it in here. So when I tap it, for the first time, I want to close the keyboard. Close the keyboard. So focus. Pop of context. And focus. Okay. So before doing anything else, For example, now let's see. Why is it not working? Let me add another one. So unfocused content. And then I want to call on top. Alright, so let me run it and see. Okay, so if I open this one, console, open that one, console, open that one, console, open that one, console. So far so good. So there is only one thing now remaining, is to implement what is to implement the update. To implement the update, the update function. So I want, when I hit on the update, I want this to be updated, right? Yeah. So let's go back and see if I already implemented that. I did not. So let me implement that. So number one, update only if what? If the length of the text is greater than or is equal to 3. So this is what I'll say. If backend, if this one text dot length, if the length is greater than or is equal to 3, then if that is true, then do this. I want you to do what? I want you to update the I want you to update the to do. So how do we update? So it is backend dot update to do. What is the name that I gave to this function? Where is it? Under service. What's the name? If that is true, then I want to do what? I want to edit to do. And to edit, it takes an index and now to do model. And that is the text and then false. Okay, so let's see what happens. Yeah, and then after doing that, I want to clear. After achieving that, I want to clear the controller. So not add new, it is edit. So I want to clear the controller dot and then I want to pop off or navigator dot off context dot pop. So this one is also required building context. Okay, so let's make the adjustment. Let me come here. Where is it? So context is equal to context. Right. Okay, so let's see what happened. Let me 1 2 3 4 4 then update. Nice one, guys, it's working. It is working, guys. It is working. It is working. It is working. It is working. Let me add some things here. Nice one. It's working. So let me see. When am I popping off the screen? It's all good. Working. It's working. It's working. It's working, guys. Yeah, so good job. What if I get rid of everything? Oops, no to do's. Let me add some. Let me add another one. Keep it up. What if I do some editing? Yeah, and there we go, guys. There we go. 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 There we go, guys. Okay, so we are done. Now that I promised you guys that I will build and install. Now I think our app is fine. It's okay. It's working. So let's build it. So how do you build an application? So if whatever you've made, it is appealing to your eyes and you're okay with the functionality and everything. So to build your application, this is what you do. Let's open a new terminal. There is a terminal. I'm having a lot of terminal. Let me heal. Yeah. So we want to build our app to APK and install it. Actually, I'm going to install it here. So how do we build our app? This is how we build our app. To build your app in the right way, you need to generate some files. And this is what you do. Let me first clear. So Flutter, build APK, and then I think it's what, huh? I think here it's a split per ABI. Yeah. Especially for what? Especially for the here. Especially for the Play Store. Especially for the Play Store. It's important. It's not going to see Flutter. Oh, I haven't written it well, so let me clear first. So Flutter build APK split per API. So we are building our app, and then I will install it. We are building, and then I will install it, and we'll end the video. Thank you for tuning in. God bless. Thank you so much for tuning in. So it is building, guys. It is building. I promise you, when I finish making the app, I will build it and install it. So let's wait. Let's be patient. It is taking long, but let's wait. Let's wait for a minute. So thank you guys for hanging on. Thank you for being patient. If you haven't subscribed, I humbly request you to subscribe and to hit that notification bell. And remember to leave a comment on the comment section. And hope you've learned something. Hope you've learned a lot. Actually, it has taken longer than I expected, but it is what it is, guys. So it is taking longer to build. I think I will end the video. It is taking forever to finish. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being thank you for your subscription. Thank you for your support. God bless. And I'll be releasing another tutorial. I'll be coding another app live. Actually, I decided to be doing a live recording for my all codes. I'll be live. I'll be coding live, so that when I make mistake, you see. And also to give you an opportunity to correct me and to give ideas, to be part and puzzle. So as it builds, actually I can make an adjustment to our code. Let me see. Yeah, I can apply the extension we made. You remember? Yeah. So you remember the extension? Actually, as we waited to build. Let me do it so quick. So extensions, and then custom extension like that. So for the extension, guys, capitalize sentence. So extension, and then custom extension, and then on string. So string capitalize sentence. So list string word list is equal to this split. Then word list dot remove where word is empty. Add list string capitalized list is equal to word list dot map word return word 0 to uppercase plus word not 0 to substring from 1 and then to list, right, and then return capitalized list that join. Yeah, something like that. Capitalized like that. So let me apply it. To our text. Where is it? Prince home. Where is it, guys? Where is it? Here is it. To capitalize something. Yeah. There we go. Nice one. It's working, by the way. So here we have successfully installed built our app. So let's go check. So sources, build and then output and then APK. Okay, let's reveal in Explorer. Then here is it. The APK is released. So let me install, by the way. Let me install this one. Here is our app, guys. I'm installing it. Okay, start and allow. We'll try. Here is it, guys. So let me install it. Launch. And here is our app, guys. I've installed it successfully. Okay, so let's add some data. Go for shopping. Do laundry. Okay. Done. Listen to music. Oh, there we go, guys. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Be blessed. Till next time, peace out. And remember to subscribe.